For thousands of years, the sea has guarded its secrets. Beneath 2 kilometers of darkness, history waits. A modern recovery vessel begins a mission unlike any other, a scientific search for a lost Egyptian pharaoh. Using advanced multi-beam sonar and deep-sea mapping systems, the team scans a 2-kilometer zone of seabed. Then, a geometric anomaly appears, massive stone structures hidden beneath sediment. An ROV descends into the abyss, its lights piercing the black water. Ancient limestone walls emerge, carved with unmistakable royal hieroglyphs. The entrance to a sealed burial chamber is revealed. Inside, wooden chests, gold bars, ceremonial weapons, and a throne of astonishing craftsmanship. And beyond it, a sealed stone sarcophagus, untouched for millennia. Each artifact is documented, stabilized, and lifted with precision engineering. On deck, conservators begin immediate preservation to protect the relics from deterioration. This is not a treasure hunt. It is a recovery of history, guided by science, driven by responsibility.